we will be looking at the length function. Length function is very important function in data analysis, where we have to find out the length of the given string, so that our analysis and our algorithm can be done properly. So let's start how to do that. So for length, go into the cell, type in equal to, after that type len and then open bracket. You will find the total syntax of the length function is len open bracket then text, the text which we want to find the length for. So for example, currently I want to find the length for this text, so I will select that cell and then close bracket and then enter. Now you can just drag this to the very end and you will find the total length of all the given strings and understand what is the total number of characters or total number of points are there in a given data. This function you should use very much in your data analysis related to the textual data, and so that while creating the algorithm, it becomes very easier for you to resolve the given issues and to bring a proper analysis. See you in the next video. Thank you.